dear viewers, hope you are well. And in the modern world, capturing photo and editing is turned to great passion as well as a profitable business. Basing of digital marketing and creative business pattern, top to bottom industry are totally dependent high quality image editing services. Incredibly, the HD quality images are turned to a branding for conventional products. Actually, the potential clients are not able to touch the product. Rather, they may have impressed by HD quality photos of the desired product at online. Also, wedding photography are become too much popular, especially in USA. In USA, around 2.3 million couples wed every year. Nearly 6,200 weddings per day happening in USA. The total wedding cost is 72 billions. That indicate the high demand of wedding photographer. Also, the cinema industry, especially Hollywood, need high efficient photo editor to turn the video into next level. Fortunately, there are plenty of high efficient photo editing machines are available at the market. According to verified market research, the photo editing market are booming recently. The photo editing software market values was $293.02 million in 2019. It is estimated that market value will reach $387.83 million by 2027. But Adobe already dominates photo editing industry. They look like indisputable Google on photo editing industry far ahead from their competitors. But other photo editing software also provide incredible services and have numerous features, as like as Adobe Suite. We are discussing top 9 trending photo editing software that help you to decide the best software you should purchase. Number 1, Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is extensively suitable for managing of large quantities images and doing pre-production tasks. Incredibly, it has AI-based database which assists to view, edit, and decorate images. In 2002, it first launched by Mark Hamburg as powerful photo editing tools. It has full-fledged tools for enhance, organize, and publish your images into various social media directly. Lightroom AI-based tool help you to clean up the imperfect, crop, skew photos, and exclude the unwanted elements. HDR tools, face recognition, make Adobe Era exceptional from other competitors. Emerging cloud integration, effective lighting, geometry, color, and lens profile based correction turn Adobe Lightroom a great photo editing software. Post, incredible bulk photo management capacities, cloud support, and storage facilities up to 220 GB to 1 TB. AI-based camera and lens wide manage recommendation. The tools has brush and gradient adjustment with color, luminance, masking abilities. Cons, only photo editing is possible, not any manipulation. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is indefinitely one of the most popular and extensive used photo editing tools at worldwide. But Photoshop may not invented it quickly. It has been needed almost 30 years. Recurrent research to reach tremendous update and this software. It was developed by John Knoll and Thomas Knoll, both of brothers. They initially released Photoshop in 1988. Adobe Photoshop is incredible for image manipulation and color correction. If you want to multiple layered image editing, creative typography, 3D modeling, blending, brush drawing, Photoshop is too much perfect to do less creative tasks. In 2020, Adobe introduced incredible AI-powered neural filter, sky replacement, extensive control over cloud storage files, emerging pattern preview facilities at Photoshop on a recent Adobe Max conference. The Photoshop interface. Adobe Photoshop have very useful and customized interface editor. Can choose according his need, including 3D, graphic, web, painting, and photography. Also, you can customize according your requirement. Such marvelous tool comprise refineness, ratio, selection, brush and zoom outfit make Photoshop indisputable at photo editing industry. You can also add an action preset to provide pre-made effect at the images. Pose have incredible photo manipulation and correction tools. Tons of tutorials available at internet. Extensively customizable interface, AI-based tools. These typography tools capable to do 3D design. Large cloud storage capabilities. Cons: subscription model. Neural filters can be created. The premium resources are costly. Cyberlink Photo Director 12. For beginner, Cyberlink Photo Director 12 is best for its extensive features and quick photo editing aptitudes. The updated version of Cyberlink Photo Director 12 provides an effective and tremendous facilities. It is actually part of Cyberlink Director Suite 365. It has collaborated with Shutterstock. Fortunately, subscription of Cyberlink Photo Director can directly access to the Shutterstock for free. It helps you to blend in your images with inclusive Shutterstock images. The Photo Director has best processing facilities. You can use your created effect apply on the multiple images. Fortuitously, it can capable to save you loads of time and text. The face tagging facilities of Cyberlink help you to easily find out the desired personal images. Post intensive editing and enhancement tools, beginner friendly, high quality value. Face tagging facilities. Cons: not completely for all platforms, few advanced features and tools are missing. Affinity Photo on Pioneer. Affinity Photo is professional photo editing software with lower cost compared to Adobe Photoshop. It has ability to do almost every editing task you need as a photographer. It has basic to advanced photo editing tools including copying, selection, painting, and drawing outfit. Affinity is especially designed to use effectively all devices, but it totally compatible for iPad and across the Apple platform. Incredibly, you can work on tablet at proficient drawing surface by installing the software creative tools including red eye removal, copying selection, painting and water shape tools. Provide your images an elegant look. Affinity Photo is suitable with raw JPG, TIFF, PNG, GIF, PSD file. It provides an option to manually customize your photos for web. Posts have incredible photo editing tools. A broad range of support for file types. Plugins comparatively cheaper. Cons: not decent for beginner, not worthy for illustration project. PaintShop Pro 2020. It is one of the creative and cheaper editing software available at the online market. While you will pay $120 per year for Photoshop and Lightroom, these apps only cost $80 for lifetime subscription. It has all basic to advanced creating tools such as HDR edits, creative filters, provide you much value for completing your task elegantly. Recently, it has added 360-degree photo editing tools, which help you to enable virtual tool. Post single payment AI-driven features support 360-degree photos. Cons: not support on Mac. Adobe Photoshop Element 2020. The question you may arise: which credibility to using Adobe Photoshop Element? While advanced Adobe Photoshop such as Photoshop and Lightroom are available. Only two answers for using it, especially flexibility and pricing. It is simplified photo editing software at Adobe family. Anyone can use for image manipulation and editing as it provides some effective tools which available on Adobe Suite. You can work on the best of your skills such as quick, guided or expert. The quick version offers you simple and common tools for quick design. The guided view teach you complicated design effect, make a pro editing. In 2021 edition, Adobe includes motion photos, sky replacement features on it. Post simple workspace, especially suitable for social media such as Instagram. Versatile special effect. Cons don't support CMYK colors, pretty expensive. Luminar AI. Luminar AI is incredible AI-based photo editing tools developed by Skyrim. It added AI-powered functionality similar to Adobe Creative Suite, which has been adding sensei-backed tools. It provides extensive photo editing features such as content-aware flow, similar to Photoshop. The AI also can analyze your images. For example, it helps to identify the body part which you need for reshaping and smoothing the noisy areas for better cool looking. It has non-destructive tool that lets your brush into color, detail and sharpness to induce a smart portrait. The cone and stamp tools of Luminar AI offer effective results and even complex part of the object. The powerful color grading facilities provide full color effect. Post Inter AI-based photo editing tools have unique 3D mapping technology, have lots of online documentation. Cons ordinary library facilities, retro exporting ranges. ACD-SCE Photo Editing Studio 2021. If you want to decent, organized and brand range of photo editing tools, ACD-SCE Photo Studio 2020 could be better choice for you. It is easy to use and capable to lots of best conversion. It allows to provide variety of creative effects on your images. It has impressive editing tools such as has exposure for landscape photography. It's a creative skin tune to assist to restore, glow and smoothen force. Post effective for best transition, user-friendly tone wheel, face detection and facial recognition facilities. Cons professional version not support there. Perplexing cost value. GIMP is incredibly free and open source photo editing software. It has numerous features that you cannot imagine to get from a free software. But it is quite difficult to doing tasks for beginner. Recently, the GIMP updated a version which is easier to use compared to previous version. You can enhance colors, adjust hue and saturation, correct sharpness, decrease graininess, and take off unwanted objects. It can capable to work with mask. Post it's free and open source. Extensive selection to numerous plugin supports. Cons difficult for novice, insufficient HDR support. Aurora HDR. It is extensive HDR photo editing tools that offer you cool looking images. Most recently, Aurora HDR introduced most effective AI-based tone mapping technology. It allows for smart photo merging to generate vivid yet natural-looking images. The neural network of apps enhances the photos and exclude any halos or ghosting square at exporting. Post best HDR photo editing app. Quick performance. Avoid artifact, halos and noise. Cons limited advanced selection tools. Thank you brother for nice conversation. Subscribe my channel.